Why are z-score important? It is useful to standardize the value of a normal distribution by converting them into z-score because it allows research to calculate the probability of a score occurring within a standard normal distribution. Z-score also enables us to compare two scores that are from different samples, which may have different mean and standard deviation. Now we look at how to calculate z-score. We use this formula to calculate the z-score. Z-score equal to score minus the mean divided by standard deviation, or we can use data point minus the population mean divided by the population standard deviation. The value of the z-score tells you how many standard deviation you are away from the mean. If a z-score is equal to 0, it is on the mean. If you get negative score, it's less than the mean. For example, if a z-score is equal to -2, it is 2 standard deviation below the mean. If you get positive score, it's greater than the mean. For example, if a z-score is equal to 1, it is 1 standard deviation above the mean. For example, the mean score on a standardized test was 508 with a standard deviation of 42. One test taker score was 590. From question, we know score is 590, mean is 508, and standard deviation is 42. 590 minus 508 divided by 42, so we get 1.95. We can say that the test score of 590 is about 1.95 standard deviation above the mean. From calculating the z-score, now we know the value of z, and we can determine the area under the standard normal curve that lies to left of 1.95. Using the table Z, we go to positive table and find 1.9 at the left column and 0.05 at the top of column. Then we can get 0.9744. This is the area under the standard normal curve that lies to left of 1.95. From this, we also can determine area to the right of 1.95. The total area under the standard normal curve must be 1, so the area at the right must be 1 minus the area at the left, which is 0.9744, and we will get 0.0256. From the area, we also can find the z-score using table 2. Next, how to do probabilities. We also can determine the probabilities using z-score. For example, find probabilities that the value is between 74 to 78. If your mean is 82 and standard deviation is 4, you must find the z-score first to know the probabilities. Using the z-score formula, the value minus the mean and divide by standard deviation. 74 minus 82 divided by 4 is equal to -2, and 78 minus 82 divided by 4 is equal to -1. Using the z-score table, you can find 0.0228 for -2 and 0.1587 for -1. Because questions say that the between 74 to 78, then you must minus them. 0.1587 minus 0.0228. So the answer is 0.1359. The probabilities that a value between 74 to 78 is 0.1359 or 13.5%.